A manifold is the hub of a heating system and distributes water throughout a home. It provides a central place to connect both your supply and return lines. Supply water from the heat source enters the manifold and circulates hot water throughout the system. They can be used in radiant, hydronic, or snowmelt applications. A heating manifold can be as simple as a copper unit with just supply and return ports with shutoff valves for each. Supplyhouse.com also offers pre-assembled manifolds that come with some key accessories that you would normally buy separately. Shutoff valves, temperature gauges, bleeders, flow meters, and drain valves may be included, depending on the brand you choose. Bleeders are used to release any air from the system when it is first filled with water, and drain valves allow you to drain the system if needed. Temperature gauges make it easy to monitor the water temperature in your system. Shutoff valves are used to close off either the supply or return ports if a repair is needed. Flow valves are used to ensure the heat is evenly distributed throughout a system, and the flow meters give a visual indication of the water flow in each loop. Even when selecting a pre-assembled manifold, the accessories included vary by brand. The threaded connections on the supply and return ports also require brand-specific adapters. They must be purchased separately because the style needed depends on the main line you are connecting to. If you want to use your manifold to heat multiple zones, you can purchase return side actuators. The actuators act as zone valves to allow you to use one manifold to control the temperature in different rooms independently. Heating manifolds generally require fittings with a specific thread made for that brand. You cannot use standard pipe fittings found in stores. Each manifold system has a variety of adapters, end caps, and fitting assemblies that can be purchased to customize the manifold for different applications. Click here to shop for heating system manifolds and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.